Welcome to another episode of Break the Limit. I'm your brother, Paul Chris-Salaam. I am so excited to have you here today. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you can be notified on our next videos. Thank you for being here. We are so thrilled and always excited to have you on this journey. In this episode, we are going to be delving into my new book with the same title, Break the Limit, which is available now on Amazon. Specifically, we're going to continue with chapter 7, redeeming the time and time discipline. Like we stated in our past two episodes, we said we're going to break in each session or section into bite sizes for easy understanding and your practical application. And today's topic is on the creation of time. And our key verse for today is Genesis 1 verse 3. And God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. Awesome. Let there be light, and there was light. Our main point for today, time began when God that created the universe, He also established natural law to govern it. Time began when God that created the universe, He also established natural laws to govern it. Now, it's a key takeaway for today. Key takeaway. Number one, God set the sun, moon, and the stars as a regulator of time. So God set the sun, the moon as a regulator of time. Genesis 1 verse 6. Number two, understanding time as God's gift increase our responsibility to use it wisely. Understanding time as God's gift increase our responsibility to use it wisely. Now, here is a practical application for you today. Set a specific time each day to reflect on how you use your time purposefully. Set a specific time each day to reflect on how you use your time purposefully. Thank you for watching. Like I said before, we are going to be releasing 3 episodes each week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Please share our videos to help spread the message. Expect full-length videos, short clips, in-depth interview as we continue to push the boundaries together. See you on the next one.